outside, inside. 2, 3. What's up you guys, this is Vincanity and welcome to another at-home tutorial. Today we're going to be learning a CC variation that I like to call the inside CC. It's a very easy variation, but I love doing it because it's very unexpected. Before we get into this tutorial, if you guys can do me a huge favor by pressing the like button to help get this video around. And if you guys want to support even more, you guys could hop into my Patreon as a supporter, or you could join one of my weekly breaking classes. Alright? Without further ado, let's get started. Alright you guys, so as you already know, the normal CCs look something like this. We reach our hand over, we put our foot up, and it goes down. Okay, today we're gonna learn a CC variation that I like to call the inside CC. And the reason I say inside is because instead of putting your hand here, you simply put your hand here. Although it's a minor change, it kind of just gives it a very unique and also unexpected look. Okay, so to do this, we need to do two things, right? For one, we need to bend our leg, right? We want to put our hand basically right behind our knee, like this. And in order to get our hand to the ground, we also have to lean forward just slightly, right? If you're leaning back like this, it's just impossible for you to reach the ground. So you got to lean forward a little bit, right? And basically, you lift yourself up, right, into your normal CC position, right? And you are gonna lean this way and put this foot up, right? So it's kind of a little baby CC, but it's from this position, all right? So let's practice this in two different ways. First, let's do a normal CC. And now, hand goes here, inside CC, all right? Just so you can kind of see the difference. Normal CC, inside CC. Okay, with this, let's try to do 10. And I know it might feel weird, but let's really try to work on the control. Again, here, let's put our foot up, down, out, up, down. 2, CC, CC, CC. 4, CC. 5, CC. 6, CC. 7, CC, 8, CC, 9, CC, 10. Nice job. Now let's go to the other side. Same thing, bend your knee, hand goes right here, leaning forward just slightly, and putting your foot up just like that, right? Just like a normal CC, but from this kind of like awkward position. Okay, here we go. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now that we're a little bit more comfortable with it, let's try to play around with variations. Okay, so we'll go outside, inside, outside, inside. Okay, let's do 10 again, back on our opposite side. Ready? We are here, and we go outside, inside. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite side, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, you guys, that is the inside CCs. Make sure you guys continue to practice. and start to incorporate this into your footwork. Mix it in, make it somewhat of a surprise to people watching, and just kind of have fun with it. Dig deep, make your own variation of it, make your own combination, own footwork pattern, and in general, just have fun with it. If you guys are interested in more help with your breaking, make sure you guys hop into my weekly beginner breaking class, my weekly intermediate breaking class, or my weekly master class on patreon.com/VincaniTV. Okay? Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.